Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I'm glad to have you here as always. Today we're discussing the top 10 survival lessons from the Great Depression and how did people really truly survive in what was a horrid time for everybody. We also have another video on Great Depression that was very popular, and that's the top 10 skills to have if there is another Great Depression. So I will link to that in the description, and it will also be at the end of the video, so you can check that out. But let's get started and find out what the top 10 survival skills that we can learn from the Great Depression are.
The Great Depression of the 1930s was one of the most challenging periods in American history, marked by economic turmoil, widespread unemployment, and scarcity. However, it also provided valuable survival lessons that remain relevant today. We are going to cover the top 10 survival lessons that we can glean from that trying era. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, would you consider liking, subscribing, and commenting? Thank you. Frugality. Living within your means and practicing frugality are essential. During the Great Depression, people learned to stretch resources, repair rather than replace, and make the most of what they had. Depression-era families reused and repaired clothing instead of always buying new. Families would consolidate households in much smaller homes to share expenses. It was common to see several generations living together. This is missing in most homes today, sadly. Self-sufficiency. Relying on oneself for basic needs like food, clothing, and shelter was critical. Many families grew their own food, they raised livestock, and they developed practical skills to reduce dependence on external sources. From carpentry and plumbing to homemade cleaning supplies and soap, Depression-era families did whatever they could to spend less and know more. Emergency savings. Having a financial cushion for emergencies is crucial. The Great Depression taught people the importance of saving for a rainy day to buffer against unexpected economic downturns. Today, more than 1/3 or 36% of Americans have high to extremely high credit card debt. During the Great Depression, people shifted away from buying on credit or time, and they instead saved up what they could afford to spare until they had enough to buy items outright. Bartering and trading. Bartering and trading goods and services became common during the Depression. People learned to leverage their skills and possessions to acquire what they needed, fostering a sense of community and resourcefulness. Whether it is a skill or knowledge that you possess, consider approaching others about the possibility of trading services. As an example, I trade my writing, blogging, and website building skills for things like trees, plants, dirt, and other items we need at the cabin. Thriftiness. Being thrifty means that you avoid waste. The lessons from the Depression emphasize the value of repairing, reusing, and repurposing items instead of discarding them. Consider buying items secondhand. Also, Depression-era families and neighbors shared resources like tools or cooking equipment, and many times they would buy in together on something that they both needed. Community support. Communities rallied together to provide mutual aid and support. Neighbors helped each other with childcare, food, or repairs. Building and nurturing these social networks can be a lifeline during difficult times. Soup kitchens and community food banks emerged during the Great Depression for those in need. Home gardening. Home gardening became a vital source of fresh produce. People also canned or preserved their surplus produce, or traded and donated to neighbors. Learning to grow your own food, even on a small scale, enhances your self-sufficiency and your food security. Resourcefulness. Resourcefulness involves creatively finding solutions to problems. The Great Depression encouraged people to think outside the box and find innovative ways to meet their needs. They repurposed materials for other uses, and they repaired broken items instead of throwing them away. Personal responsibility. Taking responsibility for one's well-being is a survival lesson learned from the Great Depression. Individuals and families took charge of their circumstances rather than relying solely on external assistance. Parents taught their children important life skills like sewing and cooking. Adaptability. The ability to adapt to changing circumstances is of paramount importance. During the Depression, people shifted their skills and strategies as needed to cope with evolving challenges. They adjusted their expectations and lifestyles to cope with scarcity. They also diversified their income sources, taking on multiple jobs or ventures. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The Great Depression was a challenging period in history, but it also yielded valuable survival lessons that remain relevant today.
I hope you liked this video. I thought it was very interesting when I was creating it. I am a student of history, well, a little bit of a student of history. I like to see what people did in the past that I can bring to my own survivalist skills, my own prepping skills, my own home skills, homesteading skills. So I always enjoy videos like this. Let me know what you thought. I love to hear from you as always, and I will always answer back. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you again soon.